Great day, guys. This is Paulo Ramos, your attraction marketing specialist. Guys, when it comes to network marketing, I'm sure palagi niyong naririnig ang salitang or ang number na 001. When it comes to pioneering stages, ito lagi yung inaasam-asam na posisyon ng mga network marketers. Yung tipong, ang swerte mo kasi pioneering ka, ang swerte mo 001 ka. Pero, paano kung ilang taon na yung company mo, nag-join ka, no? Nasa, somewhere down the line, eto matindi, nahihirapan ka, nagugutom ka, lagi kang napupuyat, wala kang income, bugbog ka pa sa training. Paano kung hindi ka naman networker din? What if product user ka lang? Pwede ba maging 001? The answer, at least after a very long time, we could say na meron kang chance this time around na maging 001 ng isang network marketing company. How? Simple lang. This 001 or Project 001, ito lang yung project na meron ang GFox International. Okay? Ano ba to? Monthly siyang ginagawa. So imagine, it's like a raffle promo na monthly, okay, you have the chance to be a 001. Okay? Kahit nasa down the line ka na ng company, pwede ka for one whole day, maging instant 001 ka, mapunta ka sa top, at yung company or yung system, gagawa siya ng structure. Randomized yan. Okay? Randomized siya na pag ikaw napunta sa top, you could earn potentially 1.4 million pesos instantly. And take note, if you're asking about the computation, magagaling siya sa sales for just being a product user. So guys, imagine, wala kang ka-break-break sa network, matagal ka nang nahihirapan, matagal ka nang nagugutom, matagal ka nang sunog, pagod ka na sa mga training, okay? I think this time around, you deserve a second chance. You deserve a break. Hashtag, pwede pa pala. Okay? So guys, how do you do that? Simply join GFox International, and kung sino man ang nag-share ng video na to sa'yo, okay, tanungin mo na lang siya, and we'd be more than happy to actually inform you on how you could get the chance to become a 001 in GFox International. So guys, kung pagod ka na sa opportunity mo, kung nahihirapan ka na, gusto mo ng break, ayaw mo ng magutom, gusto mo ng kumita talaga, and at least you have a chance to earn 1.4 million instantly. Pero guys, last but not the least, of course, in GFox International, we will also help you sell and properly sponsor and build a business. So imagine, bonus lang to ng company na meron kang chance na kahit baguhan ka, pwede kang kumita ng 1.4 million pesos. Imagine, hindi mo na kailangan maghabol ng mga travel incentives, which is okay naman, pwede pa naman. Pero, if you have 1.4 million pesos, wouldn't you be traveling several times in a year? You could get your house or your car. Tama, no? Starting pa lang naman, 1.4. Not bad. Very exciting. Guys, dito sa GFox International, I'm sure, kayang-kaya mo to. But anyways, guys, magkakaroon pa tayo ng mga upcoming videos. Maraming salamat. This is Paulo Ramos, now signing off.